Now, guys, as Kishore mentioned, I used to work in the corporate sector earlier, and I worked for 8 years. I did a lot of jobs. I was in consulting, then I was in in-flight entertainment. I wasn't doing it myself. Then I was an investment banker, and now I'm doing stand-up comedy. So it's been a very logical career progression. But the one thing I used to really love about my consulting job was they used to sell us, on-site to this very, very exotic location, Saudi Arabia. देखो आप लोग हंस रहे हो, my mom was really excited. बेटा abroad जा रहा है, project के लिए abroad जा रहा है, पहली बार जा रहा है. And she put a tika on my forehead. And she said, "Beta, this will keep you safe." And then I went to the airport, the project director rubbed it out from my forehead, said, "Bhencho, this will get you killed." Like I say, I worked for companies and Indians, you'll say, we love hierarchy, right? We love sucking up to our seniors. But when it comes to white people, we go to another level. Like guys, I used to work for this UK-based company, and I swear I'm not making this up. When the white CEO came down to India to welcome him, there was a live fucking elephant outside the office. To give him the true Indian experience. ना ठीक है, उस हाथी के ऊपर उसको योगा भी करा दो. और गिर के मर जाएगा तो फिर उसकी बीवी को सती भी करा दो. No, give him the true Indian experience. Ask him inappropriate personal questions. तो बच्चा क्यों नहीं हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम है? करेले का जूस ट्राई किया? Now see guys, I perform at a lot of these conferences and offsites, all these meetings that they have, big senior corporate meetings. And वहाँ पे मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की is that people go crazy for the free alcohol. They lose their fucking minds. And guys, I've realized something. They're not drinking like that because the alcohol is free, no. They are drinking like that because they think the alcohol is compensation. ये कंपनी ने मेरे से इतना लिया है, मैं ऐसे वसूल करूंगा. हाँ, लिवर फेलियर चलेगा, लेकिन इंसाफ होना चाहिए. They think it is part of the CTC. Yes, there should be a cost to the company. And have you noticed these companies ना आपको रात को दारू पिलाएंगे, पूरी रात दारू पिलाएंगे, और नेक्स्ट डे 9:30 बजे एक प्रेजेंटेशन होगी, where they will give you sales targets that make you an alcoholic. But see, being an alcoholic is still okay. That means you're sophisticated, you have problems. You're like Devdas. Finance ने कहा reimbursement छोड़ दो. Boss ने कहा नौकरी छोड़ दो. HR ने कहा we'll get back to you. But alcoholic is okay. एक दूसरा इंसान होता है. He gets triggered by these 3 words, bar is shut. ये सुन के वो पागल ही हो जाता है. बार किसको पूछ के तूने बंद किया? तेरी माँ बैठी है वहां पे. अभी तो सिर्फ 12 बजे है. And the guy like, sir, अभी सुबह के 12 बज रहे हैं सर. अभी ये कॉफी काउंटर है. You guys have heard this expression? अगर सुबह को भूला, अगर शाम को आ जाए, उसे भूला नहीं कहते. पर अगर शाम का पिया हुआ आदमी सुबह को ही भूल जाए तो उसे भूला नहीं, उसे बेवड़ा कहते हैं guys. Because see, free alcohol at offsites is a bit like free cosmetics in 5-star hotels. इतना खर्चा किया तो मैं लेके जाऊंगा. शैम्पू की बोतल तो मैं लेके ही जाऊंगा. बट सर आप गंजे हो. बबल बात लेके जाऊंगा. सर बाल्टी में मजा नहीं आएगा यार. यार ऑफसाइट में सब बेवकूफी चलती रहती है यार पूरे टाइम. Every year they want to do something new. यार लास्ट ईयर डीजे था, कुछ नया करते हैं यार. This year let's make Shashi Tharoor the DJ. क्या अमेज होगा. Normal DJs say things like put your hands up in the air. Shashi Tharoor will expose your torso to the moonlight. And let it reflect off your torso. Simple things a DJ will say like, are you having a good time? Shashi Tharoor will be like, can you feel the medley of joyous emotions running up and down your spine? Like PT Usha. और ये सब इसलिए होता है क्योंकि बाकी सब फ्रॉड ही होता है. कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में सिर्फ शो ऑफ और फ्रॉड ही है. If nothing else, companies will have very, very fancy names for their conference rooms. Random naming patterns. Some of the 7 rivers, some of the 9 planets. But most amazing are these companies that name all their conference rooms after international cities. क्योंकि बोलने में बहुत cool लगता है यार. Let's do this meeting in Rome. Why don't you come out to London? I'll see you in Tokyo. अब ऐसा भाई साहब ऑफिस किधर है? ओखला.